Guys, I hope that you had a wonderful long weekend and you had some time to relax with your family before you get started with the NCA exams. In this video, I want to talk about NCA Constitutional Law exam and give you 4 questions that you need to ask yourself in order to understand if you're actually prepared for this course. Overall, I found this course straightforward. I didn't think there was anything too tricky about this course. If you've done the readings, if you have taken a look at the syllabus, and if you have practice questions, I think that you should be fine. But if you're interested in knowing the 4 questions, keep watching. The question you want to ask yourself is, do I understand charter? The charter application is extremely important for this course. You want to make sure that you understand different sections of the charter that are part of the syllabus. And what is also really important is that you want to know how to do the Section 1 analysis, which is R versus Oakes test. So R versus Oakes test is very important because, again, that is the case where you can actually read how Section 1 has been applied. So make sure that, as much as all the charter rights are important, it is also important to do the Section 1 analysis. And to do the Section 1 analysis, you have to read the case R versus Oakes. So again, the question is, do I understand the charter? Second question you want to ask yourself is, do I understand division of powers? Now, division of powers is extremely important because it tells you the difference between the federal government and then the provincial government, and what areas can federal government legislate and what areas can provincial government legislate. And there are some other areas where, federal and provincial can both legislate. So you have to make sure that you understand the sections of the Constitution Act. And you also want to make sure that if you get a question on the exam, what is the analysis that you're going to be doing? How are you going to figure out which government, federal or provincial, is responsible for whatever you get a question on? So make sure that you read the case law and also understand the sections for this specific area, which is division of powers. So the question is, do I understand division of powers? Third question you want to ask yourself is, do I have sample answer templates for division of powers and the charter? Now, everything on your syllabus is important, but these 2 topics have a lot of subtopics that you can be tested on. So if you have a sample answer template, again, you don't have to write the answer, just a template explaining to you, if I get a question on Section 7 of the charter, this is what I'm going to do. I will talk about this first, and then I will go on to X. Then I will, if I need to do the Section 1 analysis, then I'm going to go to the Section 1 analysis, and then put down all the important questions that you will need to answer on the exam. So again, charter and then division of powers, which is, whether it's federal or the provincial government who's going to legislate, whatever you get on the exam. So, when I was preparing for this course, I actually did make sample answer templates. I didn't write the answers, but like a template in terms of, a charter question, Section 1 analysis, this is how Section 1 analysis is done. All the questions I will put down and then just follow that on the exam. So it will make the analysis very straightforward. You're going to save a lot of time, and it will be easy for you to just follow it, and then, you're not stressed out during the exam. So the question is, do I have answer templates for division of powers and charter? This question, like all my other videos, is, have you actually timed yourself and answer exam questions? You want to make sure that, you are able to perform under exam pressure. Practice as many questions as you can. If you are looking for sample questions and answers, I've drafted some myself. I will link it down below if anyone wants to check them out. I've done a charter analysis, and I've also talked about division of powers. So if you're interested, check it out. But nonetheless, I would highly recommend that you take a look at the UBC library, where they have free exams if you want to take a look at them and write your own answers. I would recommend that you do that, because practicing exam questions is extremely important, because that's what you're going to be doing on the exam. You're going to be writing answers. So if you do that beforehand, you're more prepared for the day of the exam. I hope that this series was helpful. I wanted to do this for these 4 topics. You know, I know that the exams are coming up. I wanted to do something before the exam so that you can quickly look at it and see if there's something you want to prepare last minute. Good luck on your exam. I wish you all the best. I know that writing exams can be very stressful, but you're almost there. Once you're done with all your exams, you move on to the next step, and then, you know, you're one step closer to becoming a lawyer. So yeah, I hope that this was helpful. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. For my next videos, I'm going to talk more about the process of becoming a lawyer as opposed to the NCA exams. Again, I just wanted to do this because I knew that the exams were coming up and just wanted to put something out there that would be helpful to my subscribers. So I hope you're having a great day. I will see you soon.